Hello everyone, my name is Pawan Nitish and I am working as Abhyas IIT Prep Anchor, and today I am going to discuss with you about JEE Mains Analysis 2021 Phase 2, that is in the month of March and on the day 1. So coming to Shift 1 band score. Actually here band score means generally each and every student try to attempt for 98 percentile and above in JEE mains. So here we have identified all the questions, and based on the difficulty level we have achieved a good score. That good score generally indicates the 98 percentile and above, how much the student should get in order to achieve that score. So here if you see, out of the 29 questions collected so far in physics, we got the good score as 66, and for chemistry 29 questions we got it as 70, and for mathematics we got it as 55 for 23 questions. So on an average, if you are getting 191 and above, there is a chance of getting 98 percentile and above. There may be a slight deviation around 10 to 15 marks. So overall, if you are scoring something above 180, you will be in a range of 98 percentile and above. This is about the band score. So the shift 1 band score, we got it as 191 and above. Coming to the subject-wise analysis, here in physics, we have seen that IPE first year weightage is around 52% out of 29 questions, and for second year it is 48%. And coming to the modules, we have 6 modules respectively: Mechanics 1, Mechanics 2, Thermal Physics, Wave Optics, Electromagnetism, and Nuclear Physics. So out of all these, electromagnetism was covered highest weightage. And in this one topic, so questions were like medium level, and all the questions are covered from the electromagnetism. And if you see mechanics 1, only 3 questions were asked, and those 3 questions were expected models from Newton's laws of motion, kinematics, and units and dimensions. All of them are of medium level. In mechanics 2, questions were a little bit difficult, and those are from rotational motion, fluids, and gravitation. And coming to thermal physics, questions are like relatively relief when compared to other modules, and there are no higher level questions asked from the heat and kinetic theory of gases. In wave optics, questions were mostly expected models, and ray optics also, and SHM. And in nuclear physics, all the questions are based upon formula, and they were of medium level difficulty. So overall, on an average, if you are attempting like 15 to 16 questions, you can get easily uh, above 98 percentile in physics. So coming to chemistry. Chemistry, we have seen that 13 questions are from the first year out of 29, and 16 questions are out of first year from the 29 questions. So here if you see, highest weightage was this time from organic chemistry 2, and these questions were time consuming this time in comparison with the other modules. And in physical chemistry 1, only few questions were calculative, and the questions are from atomic structure, equilibrium, and chemical bonding. And in inorganic chemistry 1, 3 questions were asked. Questions are on expected lines, and there were no surprises, and the questions were from the basic NCERT textbook from metallurgy and also S block elements. Organic chemistry 1, questions were easy and asked from basic hydrocarbons and nomenclature, and also the fundamental reactions of the hydrocarbons. Next, physical chemistry 2, only 4 questions were asked, and those 4 questions are from electrochemistry and solutions, and also chemical kinetics. The models were not at all surprising and very easy to medium level difficulty. And in inorganic chemistry 2, most questions were asked were expected and easy, and those are also NCERT models. Okay, so here also in chemistry we have seen that out of 29 questions, at least 14 to 15 questions were of easy to medium level difficulty, so you can easily attempt those questions and be in the top percentile. Coming to mathematics, we have collected only 23 questions so far from our students, and out of those 23 questions, 7 questions are only from the IP first year and 16 questions are from the second year syllabus. And here highest weightage was from algebra 2. Questions were mostly of higher order equations and binomial theorem and measures of dispersion. All of them are of medium level difficulty. And in trigonometry 1, all questions were of familiar models. Only linear equations and matrices were asked this time. There was no question from trigonometry, surprisingly. And geometry 1, only one question was asked from the planes out of the questions we have collected so far. And in calculus 1, most questions were familiar, limits was covered. Next, algebra 2, 6 questions were asked, and mostly they are familiar questions. I have already discussed that highest weightage was given to algebra 2 this time out of the questions we have collected. And geometry 2, only 2 questions were there, parabola and hyperbola. And in calculus 2, 5 questions were asked. All the models were covered in the calculus 2. Functional algebra here generally consists of all the chapters like sets and relations, progressions, okay, those topics, mathematical reasoning. So here also questions were very easy, and progressions question is also very easy this time from functional algebra. This is about the shift 1 paper. And coming to shift 2 band score, as like shift 1 we got this time good score around 205 and above. So comparatively shift 1 band score is 190 and above. So shift 1 was relatively higher difficulty level than shift 2. And if you see shift 2, first physics 27 questions, 13 questions were from IP first year and 14 questions were from the second year. Here highest covered weightage was from mechanics 2, and those questions are from the rotational motion, gravitation and fluids. They were also formula based, but they were little time consuming this time. And the mechanics one consists of 4 questions, and those questions were of expected models from Newton's laws of motion, kinematics and motion in a plane. All of them are of medium level. And thermal physics 3 questions were asked. These were a little bit easy when compared to the other modules. And these also questions were from thermodynamics and also coefficient of linear expansion. Next, waves and optics. This model consists of waves, sound waves, SHM, oscillations and also optics part. And from this model mainly he asked questions from refraction, sound waves and SHM. Electromagnetism mainly he concentrated on EMI, magnetism and matter, and electric field and charges. Modern physics 5 questions were asked. All these questions are formula based and also expected models. Around these 27 questions you can easily attempt 16 to 17 questions in physics. Chemistry, out of 29 questions collected, equal weightage was given, around 15 questions for first year and 14 questions for second year. So physical chemistry 1, only 6 questions were asked, and these questions are covered from each and every topic of the module. And in inorganic chemistry, NCERT textbook is the main preference to be thorough with. The preparation should always include the NCERT textbook. Organic chemistry 1, 4 questions were asked. This module, the questions were easy level, and also physical chemistry 2, 5 questions were there, and these 5 questions are from electrochemistry, surface chemistry, solutions, solid state and chemical kinetics. Each and every topic is covered. The models were also not surprising at all. And next, inorganic chemistry 2, as I said, it's always NCERT textbook is the main preference. And this time he asked questions from the nitrogen element and D block elements. And organic chemistry 2, questions are from the important reactions mechanisms, and also 2 to 3 questions are from biomolecules and polymers. So in chemistry you can easily attempt some 13 to 14 questions of easy level and also 3 to 4 medium level difficulty. So around 18 to 19 questions you can easily attempt from the chemistry. Next, mathematics. So in mathematics, out of the 7 modules, the geometry one was given the highest weightage, and all the questions were covered from vector algebra, planes, coordinate geometry, and were of medium level difficulty. And also trigonometry and algebra 1 module, 6 questions were asked, and those are from matrices, functions and properties of triangles, and are mostly easy. And also calculus 1, only 2 questions were asked, and those are from continuity, and those are also similar models. I haven't seen any surprising model from the maths part. Algebra 2 4 questions were asked, and those are from PNC, probability, complex numbers and statistics, and are of easy to medium level difficulty. And if you go to geometry 2, only 3 questions were asked, those are from conics, but a little bit of calculation was there in all the 3 questions. And calculus 2, if you see, the questions are from differential equations, definite integrals and also normal integration. And in functional algebra, questions are from series, progressions, or of known models, and very easy when compared to all the other modules. So around 28 questions are there from this section, but you can easily attempt at least 14 to 13 questions, because comparatively here there are some parts, geometry 2 and algebra 2, those are little bit difficult. So around 13 questions you can easily attempt, which are easy in the mathematics section. So shift 2, if you see, band score is around 205 plus. All the physics and chemistry are comparatively very easy. Maths was a little bit easy when compared to shift 1. So this is about the March shift 1 and shift 2 of the first day. And coming to our details, our residential campus of intermediate education is Gyanville Academy, which is in the Pragati Nagar, Kukatpalli, and Abhyas Edu Technologies is the main unit of our institution, and also our websites are iitprep.in and gyanville.in, and our email IDs you can see there, and also you can contact us through the given numbers or through WhatsApp. And also we have a Telegram app. In that Telegram app we daily post few quizzes or questions, and polls will be conducted for those questions. You can attempt those polls and check your understanding of the concept, and the next day we will be keeping the solution for the same question. And also if you are having any notifications or any other exam related details, we will be posting in the Telegram app. So this is about our institution, so please feel free to contact us, and also please like and subscribe and share this video to maximum people. Thank you.